Batara from Indonesia.
Sheikh, I would like to ask, what is the ruling of drawing living creatures in a whiteboard as a teacher? Because sometimes we would like to make an educational more fun to the student. So maybe I would like every now and then to draw something, maybe doing some Pictionary game. And then after the class is dismissed, I will immediately erase the pictures. Is this permissible, Sheikh?
Okay, first of all, it is not permissible for a Muslim to draw living creatures. This is fixed from the authentic hadiths of the Prophet ﷺ, making those who imitate and mimic Allah's creation to be the worst, being tormented on the Day of Judgment. And this is really scary. أَشَدُّ النَّاسِ عَذَابًا. The most severely punished on the Day of Judgment are those who imitate and mimic drawings of Allah's creation, meaning living creatures. You can draw plants and trees and landscape without a problem. But when it comes to humans, birds, animals, etc., this is prohibited. You can avoid this by avoiding facial features. So if you draw a silhouette of a man without facial features, you draw the body of a giraffe without its head, only the neck and the body, this is permissible, inshallah. Whether you erase it afterwards or not doesn't make any difference. And have you ever taken a counseling session with me? Go to my website and you will find counseling sessions and apply for one. If you can afford it, that's good for you. If you cannot, you're entitled for one free session. And this is for everybody. If they can affirm by Allah that they cannot afford it because they're poor, I'll give them one free session without a problem, a full half an hour. So come to me and let's speak about it, inshallah, within the following 2 days or 3 days. And bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, I will try and seek Allah's guidance to solve your problem once and for all, bi'idhnillah.